Hello there, welcome to our channel Logout. Again, hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Discord account on your web browser. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more. Now, to log out of your Discord on your web browser, you can see I have logged into my Discord account on the web browser over here. This is my Discord. Now to log out of your Discord account on the web browser, after seeing interface like this, maybe there are a lot of channels over here, but the demo's purpose, you can see the settings icon, the user settings icon on the bottom left corner of the screen, or just beside the headphone or the default icon. Click on the settings icon like this and you'll be taken to this interface. Scroll down to the bottom of this list. On the left side you can see, and there is the logout button available. Click on logout and again click on logout. And there guys, I have successfully logged out of our Discord account on our web browser. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.